How to log into Absa Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Absa Career. Login in Absa Career is quite easy. So without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Absa Career. Type Absa Career login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the Absa Career homepage, locate the login button. This is typically located at top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with your Absa Career account in the designated field. Then enter your password in the provided field. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. If the credentials you provide are correct, you will be logged into Absa Career account. You should now have access to your account dashboard where you can view job openings, update your profile and perform other relevant action. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.